In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top up Wise with cash at Western Union. If you're holding physical cash and want it to land in your Wise balance, this simple process connects those two worlds. We'll start in your Wise account, gather the exact bank details for the currency you want to fund, and then take those details to a Western Union location so they can send the money to your Wise account. That's the whole flow, and it's easier than it sounds once you know what to look for. Begin on your Wise dashboard and select the currency you want to top up. This is important because each currency in Wise has its own unique set of bank details. Choosing the correct currency ensures your money arrives in the right balance without conversion surprises. When you open that currency, you'll see an option that shows your account details for receiving money. Think of this as your local bank coordinates for that specific currency. On that screen, carefully note down every piece of information shown. This usually includes the account holder name as displayed in Wise, the account number or IBAN, and any routing information such as a sort code, BIC, or other local codes. If a reference or message is shown, capture it exactly as presented. Accuracy matters here. A single digit out of place can delay or misdirect your transfer. Consider taking a clear screenshot or writing it down neatly, and double-check each field before you leave. With those details ready, head to your nearest Western Union branch. Let the agent know you want to send money to a bank account using cash. Provide the Wise bank account details you recorded, making sure the currency you selected in Wise matches the currency you're sending through Western Union. The teller will enter the information, confirm the destination, and accept your cash. They may ask for identification and basic sender information, which is standard procedure. Before you finalize, review the recipient account details one more time, confirm the amount, and take note of any fees and processing times. Once the transaction is submitted, keep your receipt. It contains the information you'll need if you want to track the transfer or speak with support. Your Wise balance should update after Western Union processes and delivers the funds to the bank details you provided. Processing speed can vary based on currency and location, so give it a little time. That's it. Select the currency in Wise, note your account details, and hand those details to Western Union to send cash into your Wise account.